Are your devices having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network? You're not alone. In this video, we'll cover the most common reasons why devices can't connect to a Linksys Wi-Fi network and walk you through simple steps to fix the issue. Let's get started. A simple refresh often resolves temporary connection issues. Power cycle the router. First, unplug the router from the power outlet. Second, wait for at least 10 seconds. Lastly, plug the router back in and wait until the LED is solid blue or solid white, depending on the model. Refresh your device. First, turn the Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Lastly, try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi performance can degrade due to distance or interference. First, move closer to the router or mesh node. Next, avoid placing the router near devices that cause interference, such as microwave ovens, cordless phones, baby monitors, and Bluetooth devices. As a final tip, if your router supports multiple bands, try switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks for better stability. An incorrect Wi-Fi password is one of the most common connection issues. First, make sure you're selecting the correct Wi-Fi name and entering the correct password. Second, most Linksys routers support WPA2 or WPA3 security, but not all devices are compatible with WPA3. If your device is older and cannot connect, check your router's Wi-Fi security settings and make sure WPA2 or WPA2/WPA3 mixed mode is enabled. Lastly, if you recently changed your Wi-Fi password or security settings, forget the network on your device and reconnect using the updated credentials. If MAC address filtering is enabled, it may block new devices from connecting. Log into your router settings and check whether MAC filtering is turned on. If it is, make sure your device is allowed to connect, or temporarily disable the feature to test. For our last tip, outdated firmware can cause Wi-Fi issues. You can use the router's web-based setup page to check for firmware updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your router. And that's it for this video. If you need more detailed instructions for any of the steps we covered, you'll find helpful resources and step-by-step guides linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Linksys video.